Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze forecast next week goal forecast for your next week gold trading. So last week we made massive profit from the gold trading. So link is below. You can join with gold trading community and join with and make good profit from the gold trading. So let's see. I am in a 1 hour chart goal. This is the imported zone I am seeing here. Last week gold made new all-time price high, that is the 2880 level. This is the last week gold made new high. So with the NFP data report, this is the maximum main level 2870 level. Price reacted this level several times and create more liquidity in this area. This is the collected liquidity with the NFE report last Friday. So gold price pushed to the upside and not continuation to the retest, and again not continuation to the upside. More retail traders are buyers in the buy from this gold in area. That's the they are lost. That's the fundamental knowledge is the important with the NFE radar report. That's the liquidity collected with the upside. So I'm seeing this is the technically double top pattern created. So and again push to the downside. Now retest area, that is your sell opportunity with the technically set up 1 hour chart. This area, that's the sell opportunity. So NFP data report, this is the first target below side, but you should combine with the fundamental economic data. This the NFP data report last Friday. That's you can see the I am seeing that's the my idea is the this report is the positive $4. So NFP data report dropped to 143k, but the average hourly earnings increased to 0.5% from 0.3%, and unemployment rate dropped to the 4% from 4.1% to 4 point drop. That's my idea is that this report, labor market data report, is the positive report for US dollar because of these two reports, positive average hourly earnings and the unemployment rate positive for US dollar. That's the dollar demand. I think that's the this report and last Friday New York session and pushed to the upside, collect liquidity and collect drop to the below side again. That's the my idea is that's the labor market positive for US dollar. So this is the happen on last week. So what will happen on next week goal? So I am going to the 4 hour chart. So this is the 4 hour, sorry, this is the weekly chart. I am in a weekly chart. So weekly chart is strong bullish candle last week. Also price created at the 2801 to 2860 price increase. Dollar price, gold price $60 increased last week. That the weekly candle is strong bullish. Bias is still under control with the gold price. That's the gold demand. Main reason is the trade war tensions. The gold, Donald Trump's the traffic policies to China, and also China reacted from this as this is the trade war tension in the market. Remember, gold is the safe haven asset. Sorry, so as the safe haven asset, gold demand last week. So I like to tell you next week also this trade war tension will continuing. That's the gold price will increase to demand next week also. So if you are trading gold, so touch with this trade war tension, what will happen, and Donald Trump what is doing, though he is the man for this. So if you touch with this trade war tensions, if next week also trade war tension increase, that will help to gold price push to the upside. So remember, gold is the safe haven asset. That's the first important thing is next week also. So next week important economic event is the US inflation report. That's the 2.9% is the report, and Fed forecast to 2.9% also. That's the CPI data yearly report, and monthly report 0.4% to 0.3% drop expected. So now 4.5% is the current interest rate is the Fed. Now I am going to the Fed Watch Tool website. So what is the next FOMC meeting? March FOMC meeting forecast. That's the, you can see the dot lots Fed Watch Tool website. That's the 92% again forecast to post the rate again in March FOMC meeting. So this will increase 95%, 99%, 97 like this next week. That will help to dollar demand, and that will help to gold drop to the below side. So interest rates is still post forecast is priced into the next FOMC meeting. So that will help to gold some retracement, some drop to the below side. Is still trend is the upside. That's you remember. Is still gold trend is the uptrend. That is the main trend. But I am hoping some retracement with the next time next week gold price some retracement to downside next week. I am hoping. So I am going to the 4-hour chart technically picture. What is the important levels you should forecast if you are trading gold next week. So this is the 4-hour chart. So 4-hour chart I am seeing this trend line. So this is the important trend line I am seeing with the gold price is the push to the upside. This trend line is the important and continuation of the uptrend. So technically for our chart seen I am this, and the upper side trend line also I am seeing with the gold price for our chart. That's the upper side trend line price is the there. So last week this trend line was break to the upside. So last week you can see, so this candle pattern is the price continuation to the upside, and this is the price continuation to the upside. And last week break to this above trend line, and price again retest this area. You can see the, and this is the continuation to the upside, and this point to break to upside and retest area. This is the retest area. You can see price break to the upside and retest to the trend line, but not continuation of the upside. Again retest with the NFP report. So I'm thinking this NFP report positive for dollar. So this is the again retest area. So price not continuation to the upside. So 2 points retest this trend line. So price is still in this trend line. I am seeing technically for our chart. So and again I am seeing the not continuation to the upside like this. Price not continuation to the upside. So price is in this trend line. So I'm hoping next week some gold price some drop to the below side, but before get the trade combined with the economic data. So this is the other side. I am seeing this trend line also, this side for our chart. So this is the other side. I am seeing trend line. So this trend line I am seeing also in the 4-hour chart. You can see this trend line. This trend line is the, I am seeing price will drop to this trend line. So 2840.45 level is the next week. That's the trend line drop before continuation to the upside. So I'm hoping next week gold price. So market uncertainty, trade war uncertainty will continue. That will help to gold demand. So I'm hoping next week two zones important with the 4-hour chart gold. The first is the 2840.45 area. This is the trend price in this trend line to before continuation to upside. And if this break this trend line and retest, so this the two zones, 2845.40 first area, then 2820. These two zones important zones I am seeing next week. If price before continuation to the upside, I am hoping drop to these two zones next week. So you have a sell opportunity next week, I am hoping. So before get the trade combined with the fundamentals, that is the important things. technical is the support for get the zones accurately. So join with my Telegram link so you can get the gold trading, get the profit. So link is below, join with it. So thank you very much.